Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow a Kit. So I'm just going to do a quick video today. So today I'm going to be putting up my tomato trellis. As you know, I'm growing some tomatoes outside this year. I did last year but they didn't do too well. So this year I'm going to try a bit harder and I'm going to make a nice structure for them. So it's just going to be a trellis sort of structure. I'm just going to put 4 posts in and run some wires across to support the plants. So I thought I'd get that done today. Shouldn't take me too long. So I will turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm up to. Right, so these are this is what I'm going to be using to create the trellis for the tomatoes. So I've just got these 4. This is just reclaimed timber from an old shed, and I've cut some spikes on the end, and I've got some galvanised steel wire and my lump hammer and the drill, obviously. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start about a foot or so up. So I'm going to knock these in about 6 inches. So I'm going to start about a foot or so, 18 inches up, and I'm going to drill probably about 4 holes and run 4 wires across all 4 of these. So I'm going to get these holes drilled first. Okay guys, so I've got all the holes drilled in these 4 bits of wood now. So I'm going to put 1 on each end and then 2 in the middle to run the wires across for the tomatoes. So I'll get this one in. Okay, so that's about 6 inches in. That should be plenty. As I said, the tomatoes aren't massively heavy, so we're going to have 4 of them, so should be plenty to support the tomatoes. So I'll set up the time lapse, get the rest of these posts in, and then we'll thread the wires. Okay guys, so that's the 4 posts in, and I'm just about to make a start on running the wires across. I tried to get them as in line as I can, but it doesn't matter too much. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think I did drill a hole right down there, but that's probably too low, so I'll probably start from that hole. I'll do the top first, then we've got 1, 2, 3 wires. I can always put a couple more in at a later date if I need to. I might do the same for the sunflowers as well, if I can find some more wood. And then I can just leave these up for sort of a permanent tomato structure, or whatever I fancy growing up it. So I'm going to get these wires threaded, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so there was a slight change of plan halfway through. I had to angle the end ones out because the wires kept pulling them in, bending them over the top. I also turned them ones sideways so they're a bit stronger. All I've got to do now is run another wire parallel with that one, and then we'll grow the plants up through the 2 wires. So I'll get that done and then I'll show you at the end. Okay guys, sorry if you can hear the dog barking in the background. The kids are playing out with the dogs. So I've only done the bottom one for now. I'll do the other 2 another day once the plants get tall enough. But basically all you do is, as the plant grows, you thread it through the wires all the way up, and apparently this is one of the strongest supports you can make for tomatoes. Seems like quite a good way. So I've got 8 tomato plants along here. I could actually put another one in here, and then I'll have 3 in each gap, which might be an idea, because I've got loads of leftovers in the greenhouse anyway. So none of the other ones are tall enough to put through yet, so just that one on the end there. Alright guys, so the tomato structure's up now. It's pretty secure. The only problem I had was the wires. I started from the top, and then by the time I got to the bottom, the post had bent in, so the top ones are all slack. So I decided to start from the bottom, and I've also angled the 2 end ones out a little bit, just so when I do pull on them, it kind of straightens them up rather than bending them inwards. So, and I've put these ones flat ways rather than, what you can see there. Can't figure out where my hand's going. As you can see, this one is that way and this one's the other way. You get what I mean. Anyway guys, so I'm just gonna probably tinker with this a bit more. Probably put the other 2 wires up, but I won't bore you with that. So anyway, that's my tomato structure done. It should be pretty good, and I'm hoping for some good tomatoes this year. So thanks a lot for watching everyone. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already done so, and please like and leave a comment, and I will see you on the next episode. See you later guys.